Hi, Macoutlet here. In this video, we will show you how to replace the SSD on a MacBook Air. You will need the SSD and 2 screwdrivers. You can buy these on our website. Link in the description. Make sure you turn off your MacBook. Unscrew all the bottom screws. Lift the bottom case. It is very important to firstly unplug the battery. Unscrew and remove the SSD. Replace it with the new one. Plug the battery back in. Mount the bottom case and screw it back together. The top 2 middle holes have larger screws. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe. More videos coming soon.